Everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a channel ball animation. So the way you're going to want to do it is first you're going to want a circle. You can make it as big as you want, you can make it as small as you want. So if your background is white, then just leave it like how it is, like I have it. If it's a different color like red or blue, then you should make the outline red or blue or whatever color your background is. Mine is black, so I'm going to make it black. So you're going to want to press the paint bucket. That's going to fill in your circle so that you just don't need to scribble around in it till you fill it up. So now that you got your background, you're going to want to put what's on your YouTube channel logo. So I have a W. Well, I put just a W there because my new one is kind of complex, but I'm gonna do my current one. Now that you got your logo made, I hope it's simple or else you're gonna be drawing for a long time. But once your YouTube logo is made, you're gonna want to add eyes. You're gonna get white. Make 2 white circles and fill it in with white. Okay, once you make the eyes, you are probably finished with your character. But again, if your background is white, you're gonna want to just do a black outline for it. Oh, and also, if your background is red or blue or green, make the outline for the eyes also that color. Or just make it black, I don't care what you do. And the app that you're gonna need is Stickman Draw Animation. I don't really remember the name. And if you want, and you're going to want multiple scenes, so you're going to want to copy this onto another scene. And once you're on that other scene, you're going to want to paste and boom, just set it the way you want to. I don't really, and you can add custom YouTube channels or other YouTube channels. I don't really care what you do with this. Bye. It's called Stickman Draw Animation. That's what the app is called. I checked.